I don't ask questions when things get hard.
AI
because
talking
every solid
objects like
result
this are going
exists only
viral on
after I
TikTok.
decide to strike.
Millions of views.
I'm always the tool they grab when nothing else
And yes,
works, and
you
now
can
I'm
make them
stripped,
too.
bent, and tired
You
of
don't
fixing
need
problems
editing
that were
skills,
never
you don't
mine.
need complicated tools,
I
you
get
only
hit
need
every
one
time
master prompt
something
and
needs to stay
InVideo
together.
AI.
And the more
Alright, let me show you how it
useful I am,
works.
the deeper I'd
Step 1. Preparing the prompt. First, the most important thing you need is a prompt. To save you time, I already made a master prompt specifically for AI object talking videos, and I've put the link on my website. You can find it in the description. Inside this master prompt, you only need to fill in one part, the main object. For example, let's say I want to make a screwdriver talk. After that, you simply copy the entire prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it there, and hit send. In just a moment, ChatGPT will automatically generate two things for you: a text-to-image prompt and a ready-to-use video script. No tweaking, no thinking, it's already done for you. Step 2. Generating the image. Next, it's time to turn that prompt into an image. You start by copying the text-to-image prompt that ChatGPT just gave you. Then open InVideo AI and log in. I've also put the link in the description so you can try it instantly. Once inside InVideo, go to Agents and Models, tap See All under Generative Models, and choose Image. This is where all the image generator models live, like Nano Banana Pro, GPT Image 1.5, Seedream, and many others. For this video, I'm using Nano Banana Pro. After creating a new project, you paste your image prompt, set the aspect ratio to 9.16, and choose your preferred resolution from 1K all the way up to 4K. Then just hit Generate and wait a few seconds. That's it, your image is ready. Download it because we're going to use it in the next step. Now comes the most exciting part, turning that image into a talking video. You begin by copying the video script from ChatGPT, then go back to InVideo and switch to the video section. Here you'll find all the video generation models like Kling, Sora, Seedance, and more. I'm choosing Veo 3.1 Fast. From here, you can either open the project you made earlier or create a new one. Upload the image you just downloaded, paste the script into the prompt box, and then adjust the settings. Set the aspect ratio to 9.16, the duration to 8 seconds, the resolution to 1080p, and make sure Generate with Sound is turned on so the object actually talks. Once everything is set, click Generate and wait about 1 to 2 minutes. And done! Your AI talking object video is ready.
I'm always the tool they grab when nothing else works, and now I'm stripped, bent, and tired of fixing problems that were never mine.
I'm one slip away from disaster, and every cut makes me hold my breath. I don't ask questions when things get hard, because every solid result exists only after I decide to strike.